Hi, my name is Dr. Shravani. I'm a conservative dentist and endodontist. Today I'm going to talk about single visit root canal treatments and multiple visit root canal treatments.
ఆక్సిడెంటల్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ డెంటల్ ఇంప్లాంట్స్ హాస్పిటల్ అడ్వాన్స్డ్ టెక్నాలజీతో ఎటువంటి దంత సమస్యలకైనా మా స్పెషలిస్ట్ డాక్టర్లతో ట్రీట్మెంట్ చేయబడును. రూట్ కెనాల్, ఇంప్లాంట్స్, అలైనర్స్, లేజర్ ట్రీట్మెంట్ మరియు జుట్టుకు సంబంధించిన సమస్యలు కూడా పరిష్కారం చేయబడును. మా చిరునామా బిసైడ్ భ్రమరాంబిక మల్లికార్జున థియేటర్, హైదరాబాద్.
Scenario where you've gone to a dentist and the cavity in your tooth is enormously big and it has infected the nerve of the tooth. So your doctor would suggest you to get a root canal treatment done. But what determines if you have to get it done in a single sitting or it will be done in multiple sittings? So let's understand what root canal is in the first place. So getting the nerves of your tooth cleaned and removal of the infection from the nerves of your tooth is what is called root canal treatment. So we remove the infection, we fill the nerves with biocompatible material and we give you a crown. Like, when will the doctor suggest you to go for a single sitting? In case if your infection is only limited to the nerve of your tooth and it has not spread around the tooth, then the doctor would suggest you to get it done in a single sitting. It will be completed in 1 to 1.5 hours and then the healing will start from then. But if in case the infection from the nerve of the tooth has spread to the gums of your tooth or into the bone, and there's presence of pus, there's presence of a swelling, and you're having other conditions like fever and all because of the severe toothache, then maybe to decrease the infection, increase the healing, we have to take multiple sittings so that we can get some time to place a medicine inside your tooth which can help us fasten the healing procedure. Other factors like the patient's age, very elderly patients or very young patients or people who are very scared, in them we can't make them sit for a longer duration of time. So in such cases we might advise to go for a multiple sittings. Other than that, if the patient's having a very complex anatomy of the tooth, caution is required. So in such cases also we advise for multiple sittings. So whatsoever the treatment duration is, be it single visit or multiple visit, the end goal of the root canal treatment is to remove all the infection of your tooth and render the patient completely free of pain so that we can give back you the function and the smile that you deserve.